Are you an authoritarian parent? Authoritarian parenting is characterized by high demands but low responsiveness. It's considered an unhealthy style, regardless of the achievements it may bring, because of the psychological consequences it leaves on children as they grow up, such as chronic stress, behavioral disorders, loneliness, and difficulty finding happiness. But how do you know if you're being authoritarian in your parenting? Watch this video to find out. Signs you might be an authoritarian parent. High demands. Number 1. Projecting your life onto your child. Authoritarian parents reflect their own values and expectations onto their children. They see their child as someone who must fulfill their dreams, continue their legacy, and complete the unfinished chapters of their own life. The child is not allowed to be themselves. Number 2. Imposing strict rules without explanation. Rules are enforced rigidly, both at home and outside, without any reasoning. Children are expected to obey without question. Number 3. Using punitive discipline. Instead of reasoning, authoritarian parents react impulsively when rules are broken. They use punishments like spanking or harsh treatment, setting oppressive boundaries that children must follow. Number 4. Rarely explaining the reason behind punishment. Physical punishment is common, and instead of using positive reinforcement, these parents respond harshly and quickly when rules are violated. Number 5. Giving children little to no choice. Rules are non-negotiable. The approach is my way or the highway. Children are rarely allowed to make decisions or express preferences. Number 6. Impatience with misbehavior. Authoritarian parents expect children to just know better. They lack patience to explain why certain behaviors are inappropriate and rarely discuss emotions. Number 7. No room for negotiation. Everything is black and white. There's little to no compromise. Children have no voice in setting rules or making decisions. Number 8. Using shame or mockery. Criticism is frequent, and shame is used as a tool to enforce obedience. Instead of building self-esteem, these parents believe shame will push children to perform better. Phrases like, "Why do you always do that? How many times do I have to tell you?" or "Can't you do anything right?" are common examples. Signs you might be an authoritarian parent. Low responsiveness. Number 1. Emotional and physical detachment. There's little warmth or affection. Emotional and physical nurturing is lacking. Number 2. Lack of empathy or emotional support. Feelings are ignored. These parents don't ask questions or try to understand their child's emotions. This lack of empathy teaches children to treat others the same way. Number 3. Lack of trust in the child. Expectations are high, but children aren't trusted to make their own choices. Instead of allowing natural consequences, authoritarian parents control every decision to prevent mistakes. Number 4. No support or encouragement. Criticism is not constructive, efforts are not appreciated, and failures are met with blame rather than guidance. Number 5. Failure to acknowledge achievements. Even when children perform well, their accomplishments are not recognized. Expectations simply increase. The law of balance. The most important law in parenting is the law of balance. Balancing demand and responsiveness is one of the first and most essential principles to uphold. Have you reached that balance yet?